to take the tractor to the track. John Deere Monster Treads Lightning Wheels tractors are ready for action. Light it up, hear the engine rev. Then go head to head with John Deere Monster Treads. They light up. Roll them backward or forward to make them flash. Amazing light-up tires on an official John Deere tractor. Roll them, race them. These huge, rugged tires are designed to go anywhere and look amazing when they do. It's over-the-top excitement. John Deere Monster Treads Lightning Wheels tractors, each sold separately, batteries included.